If you're 16 and ready to get your driver's license in Florida, here's how the process works. First, you need to start with a learner's license. You can get one at 15, but you'll need your parent or legal guardian to sign a consent form. Step-parents can only sign if they've legally adopted you. To qualify, you also have to complete a drug and alcohol traffic safety course, sometimes called the TLSAE course. After that, you'll take a vision and hearing test at a service center. You also need to pass the Class E knowledge exam, which has 50 multiple-choice questions about traffic laws and signs. To pass, you need to get at least 40 questions right. A good way to prepare is by studying the Florida Driver Handbook. When you go to your appointment, bring the right documents. That means proof of identity, proof of your social security number, and proof of your current Florida address. The state's official website has a full list of acceptable documents, so it's worth checking that before you go. Once you get your learner's license, you'll need to hold it for at least a year, unless you turn 18 first. During this time, you're required to get at least 50 hours of driving practice, including 10 hours at night. A parent, guardian, or another licensed adult who's at least 21 has to sign a form confirming your practice hours. While holding your learner's license, you can't have any moving violation convictions. If you do get one, it has to be dismissed through court for you to still qualify. When you turn 16 and meet those requirements, you can take the Class E driving test. The car you use for the test needs valid registration, proof of insurance, and it has to pass a basic inspection before the test begins. The examiner will check things like your lights, signals, and brakes to make sure the car is safe. Once you pass the test, you'll earn your driver's license.